In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy from one Figma project to another in the fastest and easiest way possible. Whether you want to move frames, components, or individual layers, this is a super simple workflow that can save you a ton of time when organizing designs across different files. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Figma tips and software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your source file in Figma. This is the project that contains the design elements you want to move. Take a moment to find the frames, components, or layers you need. You can copy a single object, multiple layers, or even an entire frame, depending on what you're trying to transfer. Now select the items you want to copy. You can click on a frame, hold Shift to select multiple objects, or drag to highlight several layers at once. If you're working with components or nested groups, just make sure you select everything you actually want included in the copy. Once your selection is ready, copy it. On Mac, press Command and C. On Windows, press Ctrl and C. You can also right-click on the selected item and choose Copy from the menu if that feels easier. Figma will store that content on your clipboard, ready to paste into another file. Next, open the destination file or project. This is the Figma file where you want to place the copied design. Make sure you're on the canvas and not inside a text field or menu before you paste, because that will help Figma place the items correctly. Now paste the content by pressing Command and V on Mac or Ctrl and V on Windows. As soon as you do this, Figma will bring the copied frames, components, or layers into the new project. You can then click and drag to reposition them wherever you need on the canvas. If you copied multiple elements, they should paste in the same structure and layout they had in the original file. That makes it easy to move design sections between projects without rebuilding them from scratch. And if you copied a component, Figma will usually keep it editable, so you can continue working with it in the new file. A helpful tip is to paste onto the canvas rather than into a specific layer panel, because that keeps the placement clean and predictable. If you need to copy something again, just return to the source file, select the items, copy them, and paste them into the destination project the same way. So to quickly recap, open the source file, select the frames, components, or layers, copy with Command or Ctrl C, then open the destination file and paste with Command or Ctrl V. That's all it takes to copy from one Figma project to another. If this video was useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next Figma tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.